Hello and welcome to the second part of this SAP related video presentation hosted by GXS. My name is Mark Morley, Industry Marketing Director. Over the next few minutes I'd like to discuss how GXS Managed Services can help address some of the SAP B2B integration issues that were highlighted in the first part of this video presentation. So what does the GXS Managed Services environment consist of? GXS Managed Services offering is made up of three core components, and it combines the investments in people, process and technology to deliver solutions that improve supply chain efficiencies and simplify the integration between businesses. GXS Managed Services provides a way to establish new B2B processes and manage trading partner relationships. GXS Managed Services provides a company with a pool of experience from other B2B implementations around the world. Finally, GXS Managed Services allows a company to implement the latest B2B technologies and services without having to worry about learning how to implement the technology themselves. The Managed Services environment helps to shield users from having to worry about resolving day-to-day technical issues relating to their new B2B infrastructure. GXS Managed Services provides an unrivaled set of capabilities to help a company establish a best-in-class B2B environment. GXS is recognized as the #1 transaction outsourcing vendor, with over 500 customers utilizing GXS Managed Services today. We can provide extensive transformation capabilities with a capacity to develop 10,000 maps annually, and over 30,000 maps and 200 document types are currently in production. We have areas of expertise in program management, global network infrastructure, e-commerce operations management, and 24/7 support and offering visibility and alerting capabilities. This diagram shows the core components of our managed services platform. From an infrastructure perspective, GXS operates two primary global data centers, one in Ohio, North America, and the other in Amstelveen in Holland. Redundancy is provided within and across both data centers. The infrastructure offers a high-performance network-based translation engine and is able to offer extensive mediation between any communications protocol. The infrastructure provides a high 99.95% availability with 12-hour disaster recovery. We undertake full weekly and daily incremental backups. An uninterruptible power supply UPS with battery and diesel turbine backups are also available. The whole infrastructure operates on best-in-class hardware from the leading networking and storage server manufacturers. GXS operates a mapping center of excellence. We undertake the design and development of maps and offer any-to-any data format conversion. Once the maps have been created, we offer ongoing change management as well. We can offer transaction level visibility, and we can implement scorecarding and reporting so that you can keep track of the performance of your suppliers. We can also provide visibility into your order lifecycle and logistics network. Program management ensures that your B2B environment is implemented correctly. A designated program manager will help define the scope of the project, the requirements, and ensure that the project is completed on time. The other role of the program manager is to ensure that change requests or modifications to the B2B infrastructure are implemented correctly. When integrating with an ERP system, the program manager will ensure that any change requests are carried across both the ERP and B2B systems to ensure that they remain synchronized. GXS Expert Onboarding provides an onboarding service for trading partners. This will include contacting each trading partner to understand their current B2B connectivity and EDI capabilities. It will also include ongoing communication and training in the use of any new B2B solutions that are to be implemented across a trading partner community. From a systems management perspective, we can offer full system monitoring, security and proactive monitoring to provide alerts of any potential problems. We also provide full data recovery service and a 2-year data archiving service as well. Finally, we offer multilingual 24/7 help desk support. This service offers proactive event monitoring so that if problems arise, they can be identified and resolved as quickly as possible. GXS has worked with many companies to help integrate their ERP and B2B systems together. Over this time we have acquired an extensive knowledge of working with some of the market-leading ERP systems such as SAP. GXS is fully certified for SAP NetWeaver integrations, and we have worked on over 60 SAP-related integration projects to date. We have implemented maps to support numerous types of SAP iDocs, for example invoices, delivery notes, and shipping information documents. We also have experience of integrating to numerous SAP modules, including financials, supply chain management, advanced planning, and optimization modules. SAP is the most popular ERP system used in the manufacturing sector today, and we have seen an increasing trend in the number of inquiries from companies who are looking to integrate their SAP and B2B platforms together via a managed service offering. GXS currently provides a couple of ways of integrating directly with SAP. The first integration option is by way of a certified SAP ALE adapter, which is plugged into the Managed Services Enterprise environment. This allows the exchange of flat iDocs between the SAP system and the Managed Services platform. The second option allows integration via SAP PI over an FTP or AS2 type connection. This again allows the exchange of flat iDoc files via an ALE adapter. In both cases, a comprehensive status alert system allows users to see whether documents have been exchanged correctly. Status messaging is a new service offered by GXS Managed Services environment, and more details of this will be released shortly. From a B2B outsourcing perspective, GXS is very well positioned to help companies improve their SAP B2B integration projects. B2B outsourcing allows a company to utilize external resources on a scalable basis, so as the integration project becomes more complicated or has to encompass different geographical sites, then more resources can be pulled into the project as required. Many companies have regarded third-party outsourcing vendors such as GXS as an extension of their own IT department. B2B outsourcing allows trading partner communities and any associated onboarding process to be managed and implemented much more efficiently. This allows ROI to be achieved much more quickly when new modules or transaction types have to be implemented across a trading partner community. B2B outsourcing can lead to less risk of connectivity loss due to the greater investment in high availability infrastructures offered by vendors such as GXS. B2B outsourcing has the capability of wrapping a company's ERP application with an ERP firewall, thus allowing externally generated information to be checked before it enters the ERP environment. SAP systems need to be able to receive information from external trading partners on a 24/7 basis. GXS Managed Services operates across a high 99.95% available B2B infrastructure with 2 data centers with built-in redundancy, disaster recovery, and failover capabilities. SAP B2B integration projects can require numerous document maps to be created and maintained on an ongoing basis. GXS Managed Services provides extensive any-to-any mapping services and can provide support for many different types of SAP iDocs. SAP systems need to be connected to numerous trading partners using different global connectivity standards. GXS Managed Services can mediate between any communication standard and provide direct SAP connectivity via SAP ALE or SAP PI. SAP B2B integration projects require fast onboarding of trading partners anywhere in the world. GXS Managed Services provides a comprehensive community onboarding service to allow trading partners of any size or technical capability to be able to connect to a B2B platform. All external data needs to be checked for accuracy and conformance before entering an SAP system. GXS Managed Services provides proactive monitoring of all transactions so that if a problem is detected, it can be resolved before the customer or supplier is impacted. The complex nature of SAP B2B integration projects requires skilled resources to keep these projects on schedule. GXS Managed Services offers dedicated program managers who monitor the progress of their SAP B2B projects and address any integration issues as they arise. Today's SAP environments cover multiple plants located in many different regions around the world. GXS Managed Services offers a 24/7 multilingual support service so that problems can be addressed as quickly as possible anywhere in the world. To find out further information about how GXS can help keep SAP-related projects on schedule, then please visit the websites highlighted on this slide. You will find some useful resources for managing such integration projects. The GXS Insights microsite on the left of this slide describes some of the generic ERP B2B integration issues that were studied as part of a recent research project by the analyst firm AMR Research. The B2B for SAP microsite shown on the right of this slide describe in more detail how GXS can provide support to SAP-specific integration projects. This concludes the presentation. Please look out for part 1 of this video presentation, which describes some of the more common SAP B2B integration issues that companies are facing today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you should have any questions on how GXS can help integrate to your SAP environment, then please contact us via the details shown on this slide. Goodbye.